Divided by great welcome to you everyone, receive this video on getting started in personal finance. This video will cover the rudiments of personal finance that every beginner should know. So, if you want to take control of your finances and achieve your goals, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Number 1. Setting financial goals. The number one step towards managing your funds is to set financial goals. This could be anything from saving for a down to frail on the house, paying off debt, or saving for retirement. The key is to identify what you want to attain with your money and create a plan to reach those goals. Number 2. Budgeting. Once you have your financial goals, the next step is to produce a budget. A budget is a contrivance for how you will spend your money. It helps you to prioritize your spending and avoid overspending. Start by tracking your income and expenses and then apportion your money towards your financial goals. Number 3. Paying remove debt. One of the biggest obstacles to achieving financial freedom is debt. It's essential to plan to yield off any obligation you have as speedily as possible. Start by gainful off high-interest debt first, much as credit tease debt, and then go on to lower-interest debt. Number 4. Building an undefined fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can materialize at some time. Building an emergency fund is material to protect yourself from financial setbacks. Direct to save 6 months of living expenses in an emergency fund. Number 5. Saving for retirement. Saving for retirement is another operative finish to consider. Start by contributing to your employer's retreat plan if available. If not, spread out a person's retirement account and contribute regularly. That's it for this video. Help to getting started in personal finance. Remember, the key to financial success is to set financial goals, create a budget, yield off debt, build an emergency fund, and save for retirement. By following these steps, you'll be on your road to achieving business enterprise freedom. Thanks for watching.